Hello guys, so currently we are here at the Takoradi PTC Interchange in Takoradi. We all know that this is the first ever overhead that is being built in the Western region. It is a 3-tier interchange, but the interchange has been stalled due to some monetary issues which we all know, and this has been stalled for about a year now. And currently as we are here, we are witnessing that most of the iron rods that was fixed for the interchange is being removed, and this is the current situation over here. You know, we are trying to speak to some of the foreman and also some of the contractors over here to give us a concrete reason why this iron rods are being removed. But upon our we did a bit of investigation, we asked a bit of questions, and according to what we are hearing, the work might not continue this year. Yeah, the work might not continue this year. So that's what we are actually hearing. That's the reason why they are removing all these iron rods. Then they go ahead to come and fix the interchange. They will come and fix the iron rods back. So looking at the situation, there is no hope that the interchange is going to be fixed right now. So this is what
Sunday I'm okay no credit. Someone say yeah, dismantling because Ajuma no must suspend. Na o must suspend no. Ajuma no ye Ghana government between China government agreement now anko pay you and as we pay you. It's because of that no. Skasema wo honti omo dismantle Ajuma no nyina omo suspend Ajuma no nti omo dismantle because China government no sika abedim and na our authority etimi bayi normal na our site no.
The dismantling is being done by the China government.
Of course, because on the contractor. And the sika are expected from Ghana government no. Ninsankai, and Jumanaka, our dismantling no. And the materials no normal once a year to twin a year. China government in India, Ghana government in any hand a womb. And tina Oba site one Ghana officials be Ghana official be aniha. Because of omoya aware, Panyufo no omudi animu no omoya aware near womb. But I don't know whether they give the right information to their people or not. I don't that one I cannot talk about that. But currently, yeah, dismantling. Dismantling na no for China government no, and as a contractor no. And now yes, I dismantle.
So what is the reason for the dismantling? So
Ghana government has suspended Ajumano due to financial problems. And tina also ultimately say no man or the ashima and waste or also better me they are used to some different projects, you know. And tina oh yes, I dismantling.
Okay, say well dismantling for our
What do you call no ankasa in the office? Contractor in the office.
Yet said an uncle we are Yaman will dismantle in the car.
And yet we ask them. And yet we ask them on found no matter how our baby are on found. But on the issue is there. Scale was a Ghana government demand no one farmer no. In Tajman want to mean to us beam. And then our yin in Wama. After site. In
Timpocho, Igumana is a worry one Woboto Ankawa.
Yes, China government Trianka. China government Trianka. And then I send a medical kind of way and fat a Fabian fat Ghana government who be. Say, I dare say a Fabi fat Ghana government who and Kabai and Kabe consultant do her and our any other supervisors be her are representing the Ghana government. I'll buy a wow site and will be any her. Until none your woman.
Bono, I do not why I'm a tackling. I am a yo. I just make you call our day are so many years so more tackle the Timaba. A human I am a driver, I'm a corner start say. Now, you could be so Mava can yelly. According to one, young to your do, ye in that in the floor, was a funny baby a scarf for assassin. Until in that in the for one to you, Manado. Was a minimum as some awarded by a human was yellow say young to your Yaman in floor. Let me be say. What's his Casamana being young Koye? Namun Negma why I come with you know, Willie, I don't know. No way, Jan, what a mala. What's a according to for by now, but now why the baby moon, Mapa Cla. 1 year, you might over and 1 year there, what about your next year, another the next day about your moon be that. Apart from Takra and Quatin, why the Madi oh yeah pa ya kwa na ade nya wo so na ba de ma de aka no woli gya no wo ye nim yes or ba ba to yaro and ade nya wo yi kwa yare wo yi wo do kwa yare adwuma ye da metem ya takwa ade nya o ya me ye opara o ya me ye ampara mpanti mpemfu bu o wo chain na wo hwere won bibi mfa won ntumi ngya de ma de mo ndawa so many years ana wa start do lufu yi so wo gya no won po wonya nkofo mo ndawa abada no kwaye mbota na mampam nya na emu sisia ma sama da.
Okay, so as you can see, this scaffold and everything under it is being dismantled. You see, so when they are done with the work, none of these scaffolds or anything would be seen over here, because everything from here going will be dismantled. And this is because the China government is not getting the money that it is requesting to complete this project. So come along, let's just show you how this thing looks like. So as you can see, everything is going to be dismantled from here down over there, and that's how it's going to work. Everything. So they are dismantling all this. They are dismantling all this, everything from here, and they are taking away the iron rods. They are taking away everything from here to the contractor site. That's Sino Hydro, the Chinese contractor who has been contracted for this project. So this is what is happening.